Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo and let me show you how to use speed-sensitive volume. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Use here the settings icon, so the gear icon. If you tap here the settings icon, you've got access to the following list of settings. So now all you need to do is find and select sound and tones. Let's choose it. As you can see from the following list, you can find the sound. So let's choose this first option, sound. As you can see here, you can change a few things with your sound. One of them is speed sensitive volume. So this is an automatic feature that adjusts the volume based on how fast you are driving. How it works? As you drive faster, wind and road noise get louder, of course. This settings automatically raises the volume to compensate. When you slow down or stop at the red light, it lowers the volume back to your original level. So if you use the plus button to make it higher, the volume change will be more drastic, and as your speed increases, you will have this drastic change of your volume, but you can make it lower by using the minus button. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.